Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In this video, we will be studying about how to pass the entries for closing liabilities account. So first entry, we will pass of liabilities. Only outside liabilities, which means only those liabilities which relate to the third party are transferred to realization account, such as creditors, bills of payment, bank overdraft, other outside loans, provident fund, outstanding expenses, partner's wife loan, etc. So the entry passed will be sundry liabilities account debit to realization account. Next comes partner's loan. It is not shown in realization. Separate partners loan account is made. Now why separate partners loan account is made? Because before paying partners loan we have to pay all the outside liabilities. After paying outside liabilities, if we are left out with some of the money, we'll pay partners loan before paying the partners capital. Then comes third one is undistributed profit. Will not be transferred to realization account, whereas it will be transferred to partners capital account, because these are the profit. So it will be transferred. Losses were also transferred to the partners capital account, so profits will also be transferred to partners capital account. So entries will be, if there any general reserve account debit, reserve fund account debit, contingency reserve account debit, if there is any credit balance in profit and loss account debit, workmen compensation reserve, if any, workmen compensation reserve account debit to partners capital account. So all these credit balances, all these profits will be transferred to the partners capital account. I hope you have understood this. In the next video we will be studying about workmen compensation reserve full-fledged. It is a topic. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.